Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make a new playlist on YouTube. For that I am opening my browser. I am using Google Chrome, and in the address bar, YouTube address, I am writing. If you are signed in, you will get this type of screen, and at the right top corner you will get this option. Here you will click on it and you have to click on YouTube Studio. That means I am going to YouTube Studio. I am clicking on it. Please wait. Here you will get this screen. On the left side, if you click on contents, you will see this type of screen. Here you have seen playlist option. I am clicking on it. There are many playlists I have already made, but how to make a new playlist? Here you will get this option, create. Please click on create. Here you will get this option, new playlist. Click on it to make a new playlist. Here I am giving the title, Windows Specials. It is the title of the new playlist. Then you can write some description here. Here viewers will get different important videos related to Windows. Here you will get visibility option. That means you will keep it private or public or unlisted. Okay, I am keeping it public. Just beside it you will get this option, default video order. You will get different types of options. I am not changing here. Choose existing videos to add to your playlist. If you like to add some videos to your new playlist, you can add here. I am adding here. To select the video, then done. Finally, I have to click on create. Okay, I am clicking create. See here, my new playlist has already been made. Windows Specials. Here I have already added one video. Okay, I am closing the window. In this way, you can add new playlist. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.